Hello guys, this is Cole. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to install an application in Windows 3.0, 1990. Now the reason I'm doing this tutorial is because I've browsed YouTube and there isn't really a lot of videos that really show you how to do this, and the videos that do aren't really explicit enough and they're hard to follow. So I thought I'd create a very simple to follow and easy guide to installing an application on Windows 3.0. For those of you who don't already know, Windows 3.0 was the second release of Microsoft Windows. Well, the third release in Microsoft Windows. It was released to manufacturing in 1990. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be installing Microsoft Word. I'm going to be using a website called WinworldPC. This website hosts an array of different CD-ROMs and ISOs for past versions of old OSs. I'll leave a link in the description. As you can see, this website has lots and lots of different old versions of applications like Excel, Microsoft Excel 1985, Microsoft Excel 1988, 1992. For this tutorial though, I'm going to be installing Microsoft Word 2.x, released in 1991. So like I said, I'm going to be leaving the description. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So, you're going to want to download the top one right here if you want to download the application. Microsoft Word 2.0 for Windows, 1.44 megabytes. The download will start, and when it finishes, you're just going to go ahead and open it. I'm using a 7-zip file extractor. I'll leave a link to that in the description too, if you want to be able to extract your files quickly and easily. So, you'll get some image files. See, image files. These are the image files you will individually insert into VirtualBox. Now, if you're watching this video, I assume you already have Windows 3.0 installed on VirtualBox. And if you don't, I've left a video down in the description from EverythingEpan. He's a really great YouTuber, and I strongly advise you to check out his content. He'll walk you through, step by step, how to install Windows 3.0 in VirtualBox. So, we're not going to be doing this in that video, but if you want to know how to get it, go to the link in the description. I have it posted. I already have Windows 3.0 installed. So, to insert a CD-ROM, you go to Main, File Manager, and then you make sure the CD-ROM is inserted. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right-click on the CD-ROM, hit Choose Disk File, and browse to where you downloaded Word 2.0. You're going to want to click on the one that ends in a number 1, suffix 1. Double-click on it to add it. And over here, this is your floppy drive. You're going to want to click on it, and it'll load. Right here, you're going to want to click on Word Art. Double-click on it. Sorry, my bad. You're going to want to click on DLL. Word art. Yeah, word art. And click on this thing right here that says setup.exe. Double click on it. Setup will initialize. Okay. I'm going to name myself Cole. I'll just name my organization Cole. That's my name. Hit continue. Just hit retry a couple times. This error will pop up. Or hit cancel, yeah. Just hit cancel. Don't hit retry. You're going to want to install it to see WinWord. You can change the directory, but I prefer the default. It's going to tell you the directory doesn't exist, and it'll ask you if you want to create one. You're going to want to hit yes. Depending on your disk space, I would choose the appropriate installation. Just for this video's sake, we're going to choose the minimal installation. Hit OK. Hit do not update. And the installation will start. In just a minute, it'll ask me for disk 2. Any minute. Alright, so it says please insert disk 2. If you're using Microsoft Windows, which I assume you are, to exit, to remove your mouse from inside the guest OS, you're going to want to click on the right control key on the right of your keyboard. Yeah, really ticked me off that somebody didn't show me how to do that when I was watching tutorials and my mouse was stuck, so I'm not going to make you guys go through that. You're going to want to left click on this again, and right click on it, and you're going to want to hit choose disk file, and as you can see, this is the directory where all your ROMs are. Select disk 2 and hit enter. The installation will continue. Kind of freezes a little bit. It's going to ask you for disk 3. So repeat this process and choose disk 3. Hit enter. Installation will continue. And in a minute, it'll ask for disk 4. Okay. Choose disk 4. Hit enter. And it'll immediately ask for disk 5. Select disk 5. We only have disk 6 left. In a minute, it'll ask you for disk 6. Okay. Choose disk 6. Hit enter. And bada bing, bada boom. Time for the moment of truth. Alright. And success. Microsoft Word setup is complete. Version 2.0, copyright 1989 through 1991. Click OK. Go ahead and exit out of it. And let's go ahead and click on it. Confirm that it works. Yeah, as you can see, yep. This is Microsoft Word 2.0. You can type on it. Make the font bold, italic, underline it. You have a spell check. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. This is Cole, signing out.